In your universe, there's only one Spider-Man. But there is another universe. It looks and sounds like yours, but it's not.
Hey everyone!
My name's Miles Morales.
And welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about how 3D artists are accidentally becoming their own worst enemies.
You're like me.
We celebrate the magic of 3D art, but what if the real story is breaking the artists who create it? When we imagine the world of 3D art, we picture mind-blowing animations and characters that make us say, how did they do that? But behind those stunning visuals, there's a hidden struggle. Studies show over 60% of creatives hit this wall, and digital artists, they're especially at risk because this work demands so much from us. But today, we're not just talking about the problem. We're mapping out real solutions to help you fall back in love with your craft. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the industry feels so overwhelming and exactly how to push back. We'll share strategies that have helped thousands of artists breathe new life into their work without sacrificing their sanity.
Crank up those subwoofers, dude, and check this out.
First, let's get real. Social media's turned into a creativity trap. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, or even ArtStation, they're like never-ending highlight reels. You spend hours on a model, then see someone's post that looks like it took a magic wand in 5 minutes. Cue the panic. Am I even good enough? But here's the secret nobody posts. Those perfect projects, they're the result of countless iterations, sleepless nights, and yes, even moments of crippling self-doubt. They're built on messy drafts. Those final renders hide the real story. Comparison isn't just stealing your joy. It's lying to you about what success looks like. Then there's the tech treadmill, new software updates, plugins, tools. It's exhausting trying to master it all. Ever felt like you're just copying tutorials instead of making your own art? That's the trap. We chase trends so hard, we forget to develop our own style. And tight deadlines or gigs, they turn creativity into a factory job. No wonder the spark fades. And worst of all, the loneliness. Freelancing or remote work can feel isolating. No water cooler chats, no mentors to guide you, just you and your screen. That silence breeds doubt. But guess what? Connection is the antidote. Discord groups, local meetups, attending 3D conferences, or even this channel, we're all craving communities where we can say, hey, me too. Speaking of community, let's talk mental health. Burnout and anxiety are way too common, but we rarely talk about it. Pretending we're fine when we're not, that's hurting us more. It's time to normalize saying, this is hard without shame. Your well-being isn't a weakness, it's your superpower. One of the biggest struggles of creative burnout is feeling stuck. Like no matter what you do, something is always missing. Sometimes the problem isn't your ideas, it's how they feel. And that's where sound can change everything. The right music doesn't just fill the silence, it amplifies the emotion, it shapes the atmosphere, and makes your work hit the way it's meant to. Whether you're crafting an animation, editing a cinematic sequence, or trying to bring your vision to life, sound design is the secret ingredient that separates good from unforgettable. Epidemic Sound gives you access to a massive library of high-quality, royalty-free tracks and sound effects. So, you can focus on creating without getting lost in copyright headaches or spending hours searching for the perfect sound. Want to give your work that extra depth? Try Epidemic Sound today, because sometimes the right sound is all it takes. Link in the description. Okay, so how can we fix this? Here's the game plan. Perfect is boring. So give yourself permission to make me art sometimes. Experiment. Mess up. That's how breakthroughs happen. Protect your time like a dragon guards treasure. Say no to projects that drain you. Your energy matters. Compare you to you. And celebrate small wins. Did you nail a tricky texture today? That's a win. Touch grass. Literally. Inspiration isn't just online. Going outside, going for a hike, or even reading fiction books can reignite your spark. Find your squad, join a Discord, attend a workshop, or just chat here. You're not meant to create in a vacuum. As we navigate the challenges and opportunities of the digital art world, there's one initiative that has the power to transform our community for the better: supporting Blender. Blender isn't just a tool, it's the heartbeat of millions of creators worldwide. From hobbyists crafting passion projects to studios producing blockbuster animated films like Flow, Blender empowers artists to bring their visions to life, all for free. But here's the reality. This incredible software thrives on donations. And right now, less than 0.5% of its users contribute financially. Imagine what could be achieved if we reached just 2%. Blender's story is nothing short of inspiring. Back in 2002, its creator, Ton Roosendahl, rallied the community to raise $100,000 to free Blender from corporate ownership. That moment gave birth to the open-source powerhouse we know today. Now, Blender isn't just trying to survive, it's aiming to compete at the highest levels against industry giants like Autodesk. Projects like Vulkan API integration for better performance, Grease Pencil 3 advancements for revolutionary 2D animation, and cutting-edge character animation tools are reshaping what's possible in 3D creation. But these innovations need resources to reach their full potential. By joining the 2%, you're becoming part of something extraordinary. Your contributions directly fund groundbreaking features, improve user experience, and expand accessibility for artists everywhere. Even a small donation can make a huge difference. Imagine your favorite tool becoming faster, more versatile, and able to rival the best in the industry. But if donating isn't an option for you right now, spreading the word among your friends and colleagues can still have a big impact. To keep competing with giants like Autodesk, it needs us. So, if Blender's ever helped you, even with just a tutorial, consider donating. By doing so, you're not just supporting Blender, you're investing in the future of creativity for everyone. The link to join the 2% is in the description. Together, we can ensure Blender remains free and open source forever. If you've made it this far into the video, you're a resilient artist ready to take control of your creative journey. Comment the word resilient so we know you're part of the real ones who stayed till the end. And if you want to know more on why Blender needs more of our support now than ever before, stay tuned for our next episode or watch it somewhere here on the screen when it comes out. We'll dive deep into the financial challenges facing Blender and how your contributions can make a difference by helping secure its future. Anyways, thank you for watching, and remember, your art matters because you matter. See you next time.